In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase productivity in Zendesk with a simple trigger. Whether you're a seasoned Zendesk user looking to optimize your workflow or a newbie ready to dive into the depths of its capabilities, harnessing the power of triggers can truly transform your productivity levels. Let's get started. First off, we'll need to navigate to the official Zendesk website. It serves as the hub for all your customer service solutions. Make sure you access the site through a secure connection to protect your credentials and data. Once there, locate the sign in button and click on it. You'll then be directed to a login page. Go ahead and log in with your email and password. Ensure that your login details are correct. If you've forgotten them, consider using the password recovery options usually available on most sites. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself at the Zendesk dashboard, your command center for managing tickets and customer interactions. Look for the settings icon. Clicking it will be your next move. This will take you deeper into the platform, guiding you towards managing various aspects of your account. Next, click on the Go to Admin Center option. The Admin Center is crucial and acts as the brains of your Zendesk operations. Here's where much of the integration magic happens, and it's where you'll configure new functionalities like our focus for today, triggers. Now in the Admin Center, find and click on Objects and Rules. This section is essential as it controls workflow automation and other administrative tasks. Triggers specifically are part of these rules, automating repetitive tasks to streamline your work. Within Objects and Rules, you'll see an option for triggers. Click on it to begin the creation process. This is where the magic begins. Start crafting your custom trigger by clicking Create Trigger. Now for the creative part, typing in a name for your trigger. Ensure it's descriptive enough so that anyone else looking at it will understand its purpose at a glance. Following this, add a description. This is not just for documentation purposes, but it also helps clarify what this trigger will accomplish. The next step is to assign a trigger category. Categorizing your trigger ensures it's well organized within your account, making future management easier and more effective. Now let's move on to setting the trigger's conditions and actions, the heart of what makes triggers so powerful. Conditions specify when this trigger should fire, and actions determine what happens when it does. Carefully consider the criteria and actions that best suit your workflow needs to optimize efficiency. Finally, once you've defined the conditions and actions, click on Create to complete the process. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a trigger in Zendesk. By integrating such triggers, you're paving the way for increased efficiency and productivity. Make sure to test your trigger in a real-world scenario to ensure it fulfills your intended purpose. Remember, the power of Zendesk lies in its ability to adapt to your workflow, so take advantage of these features to the fullest.